Hey there, everybody. It's me, Zonya. And how's it going for the new year for you? I hope great. And if there's anything that I know about setting goals, is that you got to have some motivational strategies in place. Am I right? Some motivational strategies that help you in the deepest of darkest times, that help you when you're stressed and you have no time to make dinner and you're grabbing stuff to eat. When you are emotionally this, that, whatever, because so much is going to come at you this entire year long, right? And being successful with your weight, your cholesterol, your controlling diabetes, any of those things, it all means we got to be motivated all the time. Why is it that we're sometimes really motivated on Monday morning, but it doesn't last? How can we harness that? And I've got a great strategy for you, and here it is. And that is know your why. Why? Why do you want to make the change? Of course, we all know we want to feel better and fit in our clothes. Of course, we want to, yeah. No, I mean really know your why. And what I like to call it, it's your so that. For those of you that are in the course coming up, the Eat Real for Your Health Weight Loss Intensive, yay you, big shout out to all of you. We have an amazing group already signed up for the program starting January 25th. I'm so excited. But this is a shout out because you can still join in. There's plenty of time and still a discount too if you want to join in. But one of the major things I'm going to be talking about is being able to establish your so that. Your so that. I'm going to be encouraging every one of you to decorate. I'm not very decorational, but to make a so that card that you tape to your refrigerator and it very cleverly flips up. And voila, it's a reminder of all your so that's. Let's take each one of my so that's one by one. For me, those of you who know, I watched my mom in wonderful health decline from Alzheimer's disease. All runner, did a lot of things right, but didn't do everything right. And I know what those things are. I'm going to be teaching those things in this course. So important. So fighting off Alzheimer's. I want to look great and feel great in my shorts, my bathing suit, and my jeans. I don't always fit in my jeans, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's motivation to help me to do that. Number 2, sustain autophagy and nix acrylamide. We're going to be learning what those are in this course and how vitally important. These are things that my mother did not know. And these are things that are pivotal to health. I learned these from Dr. Greger in his latest book, How Not to Age. And none of us want to age. I don't want to age either. And there are 11 pathways to aging. And autophagy is cellular cleaning, and we want to empty the trash. And we're going to be talking about all the wonderful strategies that we can do to do that. And for me, this is very motivational to me because I've just learned this new added information, and I am super stoked about what I can do with each and every meal to help create that. Nixing acrylamide, wait till you learn about where that lurks in some of our healthy foods, not anymore. And be 100% anti-inflammatory. In fact, what I like to call stop Inflammaging. Can you say it with me? Stop Inflammaging. That's aging. We got to quit inflammation and stop inflammation in the body, and we can do that. And there are so many foods. We're going to be talking about the Mediterranean diet, how to do it right, how to do it deliciously. So, and prevent oxidative debt. Did you know that every single meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, puts you in an oxidative state? And depending on how many antioxidants you eat at that meal, you will leave that meal being in oxidative debt, which ages you, or you leave that meal having a surplus of antioxidants, more than what it requires for oxidation to do that meal. You want to leave each and every meal not in an oxidative debt, but in a surplus. You got the idea? So this is how we anti-age. I think that this upcoming course, not only is it about the weight loss intensive, it's Eat Real for Your Health. We're going to be touching on cancer, Alzheimer's, heart disease, diabetes management, all the things, but with a big intensive on weight control, since that is a big thing for a lot of us, the majority of us. And so, and the last thing for me, it's just personal, it's to walk my talk, right? I need to always walk my talk. And it's one of the most things that motivate me because there's times when I don't want to walk my talk. I'm just going to say it. But most of the time, people who know me, you know I do. And that's, so this is my very personal, I'm sharing it with you, And my very personal why, it's my so that. It's my so that. This, when you come to my house to visit, this is taped to my refrigerator, and I can very simply flip it up. And I flip it up before every meal and every snack to remind myself, because I forget. And I don't want you to forget. So will you find yourself a card? If you ordered any of my cookbooks, you get these cards. They come with your cookbook. They're right inside for protection. And so we have lots of them around the house. So I love these cards. Now you can do them small. You could do it if you want to be a little bit more private in your house. You can just do it on a smaller card like this. I've used this for several weeks now, and it can be very discreet. I realize maybe you don't want everybody in your family reading your so that card, so maybe you tape it on both ends so they don't flip it up and only you flip it up when nobody's looking. You know what I'm saying? Make this so it works for you. It's a motivational strategy. You got that? That's what this course coming up, 3-month intensive, is all about. It's a super great group. You learn as much from everybody else in the group as you do from me. So I'd love for you to check it out. It's the Eat Real Weight Loss Intensive. There's still a discount available. If you'd like to join, we'd love to have you sign up and join us. Either way, make this year your year. Be healthy, be well. Remember, keep it simple and eat real.